Look, your styles are strong as asset. The problem is you're dressing like every other dude. You're making the same mistakes every other dude is making, and that's ruining how you look. Let's hop into this. Number one, your neckline, it's too loose. See, this style mistake applies to everybody, whether you're wearing oversized or fitted clothing. If your neckline is loose or stretched out, it just makes the t-shirt look cheap. You should buy t-shirts that have a thick neckline that hugs your neck appropriately, so it not only looks like it's higher quality, but it fits and feels better. Go for those thicker necklines because as you wash them, they'll deteriorate slowly. 2, your pants are too short. Bro, you over-tailored your pants. You heard that you had to tailor them, but now you're showing 5-6 inches of your ankle. Nobody wants to see your naked ankle. Nobody wants to see you wearing high waters like this. And not only that, it makes you look stumpy. When you wear pants that are too short, you're literally shortening the visual length of your pants, making you look shorter. Get pants that fit appropriately. Matter of fact, if I were you, I'd pick up our new Essentials pants that are dropping July 23rd that literally morph. They morph. No, like literally, they change aesthetics. This new collection, boys, we're dropping 3 pieces. It's not the largest collection we've done. Matter of fact, it's the most limited collection we've done because getting inventory these last 6 months has been impossible. And the only way we were able to do this was air shipping the inventory. And if I were to show you how much it costs to air ship inventory, we're talking 6 figures just for shipping, not the cost of product, for shipping it to be able to get it here in time, meaning this is a small collection. A collection that, keep in mind, Pro Members shop on Friday. This will move so fast because it's not the largest collection. And I know how much we have, and I know how fast that moves on a launch day, which means, boys, this July 23rd at 10 a.m. Eastern, you need to put a reminder. You should put it for 9:50 a.m. Eastern, so you're there early. When the site opens up, you're going to want to get these pants. See, our new smart trousers, they come in 4 colors, literally morph. Not only do they fit perfectly straight out the bag, no tailoring, it has a hidden zipper inside the seam that when you unzip it, it gives you a loose aesthetic if you want to wear it more towards the streetwear crowd. But let's say you want to dress it up, you want to get more of that tailored look, zip it up, you get that nice tailored look, and you can dress up the pants. What other pant has that level of versatility that you can use from day to night and look good in every situation? You won't find it. Boys, this new collection, 4 new colors. If I were you, I'd pick one up in every single color because it'll be the most versatile pant you'll ever own. 3, if a garment pulls, it's too tight, bro. See, it doesn't matter if you're going with fitted pieces and if you're wearing a dress shirt, a sweater, a t-shirt, if you're wearing pants, there's certain problem areas that you always need to look out for. Your chest, your back, your gut, your thighs, your hips. If in any of these areas you see the garment pulling at the seams, you need to size up. 4, you have too many contrasts. Matter of fact, I'm doing that myself today. See, right now, I'm wearing 3 different colors on my top, on my pants, and on my bottom. But when I do this intentionally. So what ends up happening is when you add all these different colors, what you're basically doing is you're adding contrast or hard breaks in your body that shortens your visual length. So if you're already a short dude, that's the last thing you'll want to do because you're visually interrupting how tall you could look. What you need to go for, and this is a rule you can always rely on when you don't know how to dress and you want to look as good as possible, remove contrast. In other words, keep the colors of your clothing within the same family so your entire fit looks seamless. 5, your pants don't sit on your hips. For example, when I design pants, this is what every designer goes through, right? You design them to sit appropriately on a body frame. So when you start wearing those outside that context, the pants will look deformed. That's why it looks like you craft yourself. On top of that, nobody actually wants to see your underwear. Like, it doesn't actually make you look any more attractive, given the fact that these pants were designed to sit at your hips. So in other words, look for your hip bone. Those pants should sit right on that hip bone. That's the right area where you want to have your pants so you look taller and more stylish. Finally, number 6, always keep in mind something I call the spotlight effect. You need to understand that at the end of the day, it's all in your head, right? Yeah, your older brother likes to point these things out, so you're always looking on your A game. However, on a day-to-day, people tend to overestimate just how much other people microanalyze all of your habits and your looks and how you behave. What you need to understand understand is that there is no spotlight on you, and you're free to explore and try new things. So if you want to develop your style, don't worry too much about what other people are going to think, and explore, try new things, see what works with your body type and what makes you feel the most confident, because chances are that's what's making you look the best. That's it for your boy. See you next time.